1875, Robert Allen set up camp on the serene banks of Pelican Waterhole, a place known as Wallace's Camp. Here, amidst the vast outback landscape, the seeds of the community began to take root. This unassuming spot would soon become the foundation for what we now cherish as Winton, a town rich in history and spirit. Just a year later, in 1876, a mighty flood swept through, prompting Robert to relocate from Wallace's Camp. He chose the site of present-day Winton, naming the town after his birthplace in England. This pivotal moment marked the beginning of a new chapter as the community began to flourish in the heart of the Outback. By 1879, Winton was officially gazetted as a town, and its population began to swell. Families and adventurers alike were drawn to the promise of a vibrant community. With each new arrival, the spirit of Winton grew stronger, laying the groundwork for the thriving town we celebrate today. In 1888, the discovery of Appleton Mineral Field brought excitement and opportunity to the region. This significant find not only attracted prospectors, but also sparked a wave of economic growth, further solidifying Winton's place in the annals of Australian history. Fast forward to 1895, when the legendary Banjo Paterson penned Waltzing Matilda during a visit to Winton. This iconic song captured the essence of our land and people. That same year, Cobb & Co. introduced a coach service to Winton, connecting us to the wider world and ushering in a new era of travel. In 1899, Winton welcomed its first train, a symbol of progress and connectivity. This railway opened new avenues for trade and communication, transforming Winton into a bustling hub of activity and opportunity for all. However, not all was smooth sailing.